Welcome to STACKr News. What did you miss last week in web dev? Last week, Danny Thompson quit his job. We got an entire GoLang course and a great YouTube Rewind coding edition. Check out the newsletter for all of the links. This is STACKr News. Here's the VS Code extension of the week. If you want to easily convert your regular strings into template strings in JavaScript, you need the template string converter extension. And if you want a detailed demonstration on how it works, check out this video from James Q. Quick. He'll show you exactly how it works and how easy it is to use. If you want a quick look at some of the top tech YouTubers from 2021, check out this amazing Rewind 2021 coding edition video from William Candian. It's great to learn from or get inspired by the experiences of others. So go check out this video from Engineering with Utsev to hear about his 20 years of software engineering experience in 20 minutes. Do you want to become a DevOps engineer in 2022? Go check out this video from Vicky May to find out how. Danny Thompson quit his job at Google. Go check out his video to see why, and I'm excited to see what he does in 2022. If you want to learn some Android tips and tricks, go check out this video from Philip Lackner. He goes over 5 Android tips he wishes he knew earlier. Next up, we have an entire Go course from Tech World with Nana. In this video, you'll learn the GoLang programming language while building a simple CLI application. DevEd has a new course available, and in this video, you'll get a sneak peek at one of the chapters for free. We'll give the latest episode of Syntax a listen. In this one, they talk about what's new in Gatsby version 4. And over on Instagram, be sure to give Adrian Tuareg a follow if you want some great UI tips. Again, there's more content in the newsletter. The link is in the description. If you missed last week's episode, go check that one out as well. I hope this was helpful. Like this video to help me out and subscribe if you haven't already for more videos like this.